Welcome to my All Old Rare Coins channel, where we uncover the fascinating world of rare coins and collectibles. Today, we're diving into the story of an iconic and extraordinary piece of American numismatic history, the 1986 P quarter-dollar coin. This coin might seem ordinary at first glance, but it holds secrets that could make it worth far more than you'd expect. Let's begin by exploring the origins of the coin. Minted in Philadelphia in 1986, this quarter-dollar features the familiar profile of George Washington on the obverse side. Designed by John Flanagan, Washington's portrait has been a staple of the quarter since 1932. The reverse side proudly displays the image of a bald eagle with outstretched wings, clutching arrows and an olive branch, symbolizing strength and peace. This iconic design resonates with collectors and history enthusiasts alike, making it a true representation of American heritage. Now, what makes the 1986 P quarter so special? To most people, it might look like any other quarter in circulation, but collectors know better. Coins from this year and mint often possess unique traits that significantly enhance their value. For starters, the P mint mark indicates that the coin was struck at the Philadelphia Mint. While millions of these coins were produced, a small number were struck with extraordinary precision and detail, resulting in high-quality specimens that stand out among their peers. Another factor to consider is the condition of the coin. Numismatists use a grading system to evaluate coins, with terms like mint state and numerical grades ranging from 1 to 70. A 1986 P quarter in mint state condition, particularly one graded at MS 67 or higher, can command a premium price due to its pristine appearance and sharp details. This level of preservation is exceptionally rare, as most coins from this era have been exposed to decades of circulation, leaving them scratched, worn, or damaged. But there's more to this coin story than its condition. Some 1986 P quarters exhibit unique minting errors, such as double dies, off-center strikes, or die cracks. These imperfections occur during the minting process and make the coins incredibly valuable to collectors. The rarity and distinctiveness of these errors add another layer of intrigue to the coin, turning it into a sought-after treasure. So, how much is a 1986 P quarter worth today? For a standard circulated coin, its value might hover around its face value, 25 cents. However, if you happen to own a high-grade specimen or one with a rare minting error, its worth can skyrocket. Collectors are willing to pay a premium for such coins, especially if they're certified by a reputable grading service. And here's the jaw-dropping part. One particular 1986 P quarter, in exceptional condition and with extraordinary characteristics, was valued at an astonishing $135,000. Yes, you heard that right. This seemingly ordinary coin turned into a treasure worth a fortune. So, the next time you come across a 1986 P quarter, take a closer look. It might just be hiding an incredible story and value beyond your wildest imagination. Coins like these remind us that history, art, and a bit of luck can come together in the most unexpected ways. Next coin, we're exploring a fascinating piece of American currency that could be sitting unnoticed in your pocket or coin jar, the 1995 P quarter dollar. At first glance, it might seem like just another quarter, but there's a lot more to this coin than meets the eye. By the end of this video, you'll understand why this particular coin has captured the attention of collectors and enthusiasts worldwide. Let's start with a bit of history. The 1995 P quarter dollar was minted in Philadelphia, as indicated by the P mint mark located just to the right of George Washington's portrait on the obverse side of the coin. Washington's image, designed by John Flanagan, has been a hallmark of the quarter since 1932, commemorating his leadership and legacy. On the reverse side, we find the majestic bald eagle with outstretched wings, clutching arrows and an olive branch, a symbol of strength, peace, and resilience. This design is a timeless tribute to America's values and spirit. So, what makes the 1995 P quarter so special? For starters, not all coins are created equal. While millions of these quarters were struck at the Philadelphia Mint, only a select few stand out due to their exceptional condition, rarity, or unique characteristics. Collectors pay close attention to factors like minting errors, grading, and overall visual appeal when determining a coin's value. One of the key factors that can elevate the worth of a 1995 P quarter is its condition. Coins are graded on a scale from 1 to 70, with higher numbers indicating better preservation and sharper details. A coin graded MS 67 or higher is considered exceptional, as it retains its original luster and appears nearly flawless even under magnification. Finding a 1995 P quarter in such pristine condition is incredibly rare, making it highly desirable among collectors. Beyond condition, minting errors play a crucial role in increasing a coin's value. Errors such as double dies, die cracks, or off-center strikes are unintentional imperfections that occur during the minting process. These anomalies are considered unique and add a layer of intrigue to the coin's story. Imagine owning a quarter with a subtle yet striking error that sets it apart from millions of others. That's the kind of rarity collectors dream of. It's also important to consider the historical significance of the era when the coin was minted. The mid-1990s was a period of transition for the U.S. Mint, as they were preparing for major changes in coinage designs and production techniques. This context adds depth to the 1995 P quarter, making it a nostalgic piece of numismatic history. Now, let's talk about value. For most of us, a quarter is simply worth 25 cents. However, in the world of numismatics, rarity, condition, and demand can transform an ordinary coin into a valuable treasure. While a circulated 1995 P quarter might not be worth much more than its face value, an uncirculated or high-grade specimen can command a premium. And if your coin features a rare error or unique characteristic, its value could rise significantly. Here's the most exciting part. One exceptionally rare 1995 P quarter, in flawless condition and with extraordinary qualities, has been valued at an incredible $60,000. That's right, $60,000 for a single quarter. It's stories like these that remind us to always take a closer look at the coins we encounter every day. Now, we're diving into the world of the 1988 D quarter dollar coin, a piece of American history that may be worth far more than you think. By the end of this video, you'll discover what makes this coin special and why collectors are willing to pay astonishing amounts for the right one. Let's start with the basics. The 1988 D quarter was minted in Denver, as indicated by the D mint mark just to the right of George Washington's portrait on the obverse side. Washington's profile, designed by John Flanagan, has been featured on the quarter since 1932 and remains one of the most iconic images in American coinage. On the reverse side, we see the familiar bald eagle with outstretched wings, clutching a bundle of arrows and an olive branch. This design embodies the strength and resilience of the United States, making it a timeless classic. So, what sets the 1988 D quarter apart from other coins? At first glance, it might seem like just another piece of change, but the world of numismatics reveals an entirely different story. The value of a coin depends on several factors, including its condition, rarity, and any unique features that make it stand out. The condition of a coin is crucial. Coins are graded on a scale from 1 to 70, with higher grades indicating better preservation. A 1988 D quarter in mint state, particularly one graded MS 67 or higher, can fetch a significant premium. These high-grade coins retain their original luster, sharp details, and flawless surfaces, making them highly sought after by collectors. However, finding a 1988 D quarter in such pristine condition is no easy task, as most coins from this era have been in circulation for decades, accumulating scratches and wear. Another factor that can dramatically increase the value of a 1988 D quarter is the presence of minting errors. These errors occur during the production process and result in unique variations that are prized by collectors. Examples include double dies, off-center strikes, or die cracks. Each error tells a story about the coin's creation, adding to its appeal and rarity. If you happen to find a 1988 D quarter with such an error, you could be holding a small fortune in your hands. The history and context of the coin also play a role in its value. The 1980s marked an important period for the U.S. Mint, as it continued to refine its production processes and respond to changes in demand. Coins from this era often serve as a bridge between modern and historical designs, giving them a unique place in the timeline of American coinage. Now, let's talk about the value of the 1988 D quarter. While most coins of this type are worth little more than their face value in circulated condition, high-grade specimens, or those with rare errors can command impressive prices. Collectors and numismatists are always on the lookout for these exceptional pieces, driving up demand and, consequently, their worth. Here's the moment you've been waiting for. One extraordinary 1988 D quarter, in perfect condition and with remarkable features, has been valued at an incredible $83,000. Yes, $83,000 for a single quarter. It's a stunning example of how a seemingly ordinary coin can turn into a life-changing treasure. So, the next time you come across a 1988 D quarter, take a closer look. Inspect it for unique details, errors, or signs of exceptional preservation. You never know, you might just uncover a hidden gem that could be worth a fortune. Especially, we're going to dive into the story of the 1974 $quarter coin, a piece of American history that could be worth far more than you'd ever expect. By the end of this video, you'll learn what makes this coin so special and why collectors are willing to pay incredible amounts for the right one. Let's start with some background. The 1974 quarter features the familiar design of George Washington's profile on the obverse side, created by the renowned sculptor John Flanagan. Washington's portrait has been a constant on the quarter since 1932, symbolizing leadership and the enduring values of the United States. The reverse side displays a powerful image of a bald eagle with outstretched wings, clutching arrows, and an olive branch, representing the balance between strength and peace. This iconic design has been a staple of American coinage for decades, making it instantly recognizable. So, what makes the 1974 quarter stand out? Millions of these coins were minted, but as with all coins, not every single one is identical. Collectors are always searching for coins that possess unique characteristics, whether it's their condition, rarity, or the presence of a minting error. The first thing to consider is the coin's condition. Coins are graded on a scale from 1 to 70, with 70 being a perfect specimen with no visible flaws even under magnification. A 1974 quarter in mint state condition, especially one graded MS 67 or higher, is exceptionally rare. These coins retain their original luster and sharp details, setting them apart from the vast majority that have seen years of circulation. Such high-grade coins are highly desirable to collectors and can command significant premiums, but condition isn't the only thing that can make a 1974 quarter valuable. Minting errors are another key factor. Errors such as double dies, off-center strikes, or die cracks occur during the production process and result in coins with unique and unintended characteristics. These errors are like fingerprints, making each coin one of a kind and adding to its appeal. If you find a 1974 quarter with a noticeable minting error, it could be worth far more than its face value. There's also the historical context of the coin to consider. The early 1970s were a transformative time for the United States, marked by cultural shifts, economic changes, and advancements in technology. Coins from this era serve as tangible reminders of that time, making them particularly interesting to history enthusiasts and collectors alike. So, how much is a 1974 quarter worth today? For most people, it's just a regular piece of change, valued at 25 cents. But for collectors, the story is entirely different. A coin's value depends on its condition, rarity, and the presence of any unique features. While a circulated 1974 quarter might not fetch more than its face value, an uncirculated or high-grade specimen can be worth hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Now, here's the part you've been waiting for. One exceptionally rare 1974 quarter, in pristine condition and with remarkable qualities, was valued at an astounding $178,111. Yes, $178,111 for a single quarter. It's an incredible example of how a simple coin can hold so much value in history. So, the next time you come across a 1974 quarter, take a moment to examine it closely. Check for signs of exceptional preservation, unique minting errors, or any other features that set it apart. You might just discover a hidden treasure worth far more than you ever imagined. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of rare coins. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. Who knows? The next big discovery could be sitting right in your pocket. See you in the next video.